Hello guys, welcome back again learning tube and in Python tutorial. So yes, we learned in before videos some basic knowledge about Python and number. So today we are going to learn about some strings in Python. Okay, so let's type string, like for example hello word. Okay, and then print it. See, this is a string. How we can print the string? Again, I'm going to type some hi, welcome. Okay, comma, double quote. A word with double quote or number with double quote, sorry, my mistake. It's a string. Okay, with yeah. So hi, welcome. Okay, so if I want some character, I want some print a particular character by its position number. Okay, so how we can, if in this string you can see hi, welcome. So h is position of h is 0, I is 1, second I is for 2. Okay, so let me explain by type a bracket 0. I want to print only h. See, if I want to print position 3, it's comma also included in this string. Okay, so like 0 1 2 3, yeah, see, comma also. And let's see space, white space is counted or not. Okay, so it's for position 4 and print, yeah, white space also counted in string. Okay, and then if you want to some particular range of string like 0 to 3 or 5 to 6, for one starting position and a second is ending position, between that you want to print, then what you can do this. Let's do it with example. Print a, then starting position is 0 and I want to extract all character between 0 and 3, and then see hi. So 0 is for h and 3 is last position, which is comma. So hi, HII 0 1 2. Okay, so next is if we want to know about length of string, then you can type print len a bracket close 12. We can count like for example this h1 i2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Remember, white space also counted in length of string. Okay, so next example, if you want to remove white space in beginning and ending if included in string, so what type of string that is? If the space welcome to our channel, yeah, so this white space, then print a. Okay, so here you can see it's included white space, okay, in print. But if you want to remove that, then you can a dot a dot string. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Yeah. See, you can see here is white space is removed. Okay. And if you want to convert a character into lower class and upper class with for whole string, okay, so what we can do is also function print a dot lower. See, if you want to print it in upper class, then a dot upper. Yeah, it's very easy. So if we want to replace some character in our string, so what we can do is just see. Okay, so I want to yeah okay, in I want to replace L by E. Okay, L with E, sorry. So print a dot replace. So first character will be which is exist in string and which we want to replace with a new character. So I want to L with E, then new character will be here, and then print. Sorry, I have to, this is a upper class and lower class problem. I think I have to type as exist in string. Okay, replace, yeah, L with, sorry, mistake, press enter by mistake, so it's a dot replace L then with E. See, all L are replaced with E. You can see WEE, which is before is L and now it's E, and last channel CHANNEE. So yeah, and now if you want to string convert string to array or split string by word, then you can do it like print a dot split. Sorry, spelling mistake. SPLIT is right. Yeah. See, welcome to our channel. But if string contains some comma, then what happens? Let's see. Let's take a new string which is hi, hello. It's very simple. Okay, then again print a dot split. Okay, sorry, oh, I'm very bad at spelling. Okay, now it's bracket is okay. See, I think there is a comma also included in string, but if we want to ignore comma while split in split string or convert into array, then what we can do, like you can do print a dot s t then and comma, okay, it's ignore. See, hi and hello. Yeah, now what we can do, if we want to know that some character or some word is exist in string or not, how can we know? Let's do that also. Like I'm just telling new string that how are you, sorry, you, okay, print kids. So if you want to know that u is in string or not, u means y or u is now exist in string or not, that I want to know. That how can I know with this y or u in b, right? Yeah. And then print x. It's true. Yeah. Now let's something which is not contained in string, string, what I am saying, yeah, x abc. Let's take abc in b, sorry, and then print x. It's false because abc is not existing string, right? If I have a two string and I want to concat, means join that different two string. So what can I do? Let's take a two string, okay? So a is equal to hi and b is equal to hello, right? Hi, hello. Now I want to join this both of a and b. What can I do? Like print a plus b. Yeah, but see, it's I think it's not display this hi hello without space and anything. It's not good. If you want to add concat string with space, blank space, so string looks good, okay? So it's represent good. So what we can do, that print a, yeah, plus space plus b, then c, hi hello. You can see white space between hi and hello. Very easy. Yeah. And then now if we want to include integer in string, so what we can do? Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to take some string, number. Sorry, 15. Actually, basically, I'm Gujarati, okay? Yeah, let's take another string. Like my age is. So, with curly bracket. And in B, I want to add 15, which is which is add in C variable. Okay, so now I want to 15 add in B string. So there is a curly bracket which is which show that we want to integer in here. Okay, that place. So now what can we do? That print. Okay, like b dot format, yeah, and now see. Okay, you can see my age is 15. So curly bracket is represent that in that place we want to add our string, in integer, right? So like we let's do with multiple integer added in string. Okay, so let's start with that 10. Some also we going to take some float also, not only yeah. Now I have to think about that also string which is contain all of 3, and I'm very bad generating sentence. Okay, let's do it, dude. Okay, so yeah, so I am about enter sorry, money. So what I can make string like okay, and about oh again entered by mistake. About here you want to its first integer and then okay go is okay next string and book of rupees. Okay, next string and sorry for my English advance. Okay, so let's see. Print a dot format and then X C E. Okay, here you can say I'm about 10, which is X value. I have a pen of 45.2, which is C value, price, and I have a book of 15 rupees, which is value of E. This is a value added by node, but I want to add particular price in a particular position. So what can I do? Then we have to type again this. So let's see. Okay, just copy paste because I'm a very lazy person. Okay, so I want to add price of E is here. So this is 0, 1 and 2. Then what we do? 2. Here is 1, 0 and again here is 1. Okay, now let's see what happened. Print a dot format X C and E. Yeah, here you can add some manually if a particular price or integer, sorry, price, I made a mistake. Here you can if you want to add some value within a particular position, then you can do like this. Oh yeah, then this is all about string, very basic knowledge in Python. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like, then please give us a thumbs up, very big thumbs up, and also share and subscribe our channel, and please don't forget to press on bell icon, because when we update our new video you will be notified. Okay, and thank you for watching again. Bye bye.